So hello bodybuilding fans, today we are reviewing this teen bodybuilder. His name is Kirito. He is from Japan and he is very young. His age is only 17 years old. At the age of 17 he is having a great physique, beautiful physique, nice physique, good conditioning. You can also check out those veins in his bicep. It is really looking nice. He also shares lots of his diet videos in which he eat junk food diet, and after all that stuff he is maintaining his physique like a beast. Look at those abs, great physique, no doubt. Kirito, you are an upcoming champion. Here in this video we can see his cut to the 68 kg and he weighs around 150 pounds currently. His height is 5 feet 9 inches. What an aesthetic body, wow. If you want more this type of teen bodybuilders body flexing videos, then you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Love you all.